Hi everyone, welcome back to Natural Alternatives to Health. I am here today to bring up a topic about my hair conditioner. Several of you have asked me via email about my hair conditioner that I use on my hair. I have plenty of oils and I have shampoo bars and whatnot, but you know, some of you haven't seen anything online for sale for the conditioner. And the reason why you have not seen anything on sale for my conditioner is because I have been trying to figure out a way that I can make it and ship it without having to put any type of preservatives in it. Of course, anytime you do any type of DIY product, and if there's water in it, you usually have to use a preservative to preserve it if you don't refrigerate it. Now, for me, when I make my conditioner homemade for my hair, I refrigerate it right after use. Well, some people are interested in buying the conditioner, but you know, because I don't want to put any preservatives or anything that's harmful, any chemical in it, I have not put it up for sale. But with a lot of thinking and trying to figure out how can I get, the conditioner to those that want to try it, I figured out a way to make it and have it where it can be shipped without refrigeration. So the only thing is, when the person get the conditioner, they will have to basically do like a continuation of the DIY by putting water in it and just mixing it. That's it. Water in it and mixing it. So I want to show you guys the first phase of this conditioner, and it actually looks like peanut butter. So this doesn't have water in it at all. It looks like peanut butter. I actually mixed it up in here. It looks just like peanut butter if you look at it. Now, this can basically sit out for days without any type of refrigeration required. Now, when I'm ready to make my conditioner, I add water to it and I keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. The more water I add to it, it starts to get fluffier and fluffier. And the more water, it's just starting to turn into my conditioner. So from what you just saw and me just adding water in it, I had to put it in a bigger container. Basically, this is what you get. This is what you get. This is the conditioner right here that I use on my hair. It's very, very fluffy. Lots of slip. Lots of slip. I'm just going to put it on my hair because I actually have to wash my hair. So normally I just spray water on it, put a bag on it so it can absorb some of my hair. My dry hair can absorb the water, and then I put the conditioner, which is like my pre-poo, my pre-condition before I wash. So there you have it. From basically this to get to the customer without refrigeration and this is what you get. Now, after it's made, you will have to refrigerate it. You cannot leave it on the counter or leave it in your bathroom or leave it anywhere. It has to be refrigerated. I made it this way because some want to try it, so I feel like, I got to figure out a way, so that's the way. It's almost like going to the grocery store buying cornbread from scratch. Well, no, it's not from scratch. Rewind. Cornbread in a box. And you can take it home, put water in it, stir it up, beat it up real good, and bake it. This is my same process with this conditioner. Is basically buying it like this so I can get it to y'all without refrigeration. And then when you use it, you just put water in it and you make your conditioner from that point. Far as I'm concerned, this is the way I'm going to sell my conditioner, because I definitely do not want to put any chemicals in it. So as soon as I get containers, this is basically, it'll be in something like this, similar or like this, and you'll be able to make it so you can get your conditioner for your hair. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair so y'all can see the conditioner in it. Stay tuned. Okay, I am back, and I sprayed my hair with some distilled water, and basically put the bag on my hair so the water can kind of absorb into the hair shaft, and took the bag off, put my conditioner on. So now the conditioner is on my hair, and I'm gonna let you guys see it. I actually have 2 bags in there. So this is all the conditioner that's on the hair, so you guys can see. This is the conditioner. And I've had it on my hair for about an hour. I'm gonna wash it out so you guys can see all that. So voila, it's my conditioner, and like I say, I want to be able to get it to you guys without having to put preservatives, chemical preservatives. I do have a natural oil that's in it. It's natural, but by the time y'all get it, it should, you know, like I say, that step, you just put it in a refrigerator after you mix it with the water, and then that's it. So my hair, I'm just gonna take this loose so you can see further. And this is all natural. No preservatives whatsoever. No preservatives whatsoever. Let you see this part of my hair. You can see all the curls. And this is with the conditioner in it. So this is the conditioner I use weekly on my hair. I use this weekly. You see that right here, guys? So like I say, I use this weekly on my hair, and I just, you know, this is the process that I do, because it keeps my hair nice and soft and moisturized. So this is something that I can work with my hair weekly. Sometimes I have to do it every 2 weeks, but you know, to condition my hair is definitely something that, you know, is a must in my hair care regimen. It is definitely a must. So what I'm going to do now, because I got it all sectioned off here, I am going to wash it. Put all this back on there. I'm going to wash it with my shampoo bar, and I'm actually going to be using the Chebe shampoo bar today. Yay, we finally have a Chebe shampoo bar, and it works. It's very moisturizing. It helps with volume. It's something new that I've used, so it's not, you know, it's new, but it works. So anyhow, I wanted to show you guys, you know, this about the conditioner. If you are interested, you can look at the link down below, GiveMeVitalityProducts.com, and go to the website, and you'll see it. You'll see that conditioning cream that's on there, and it's just a trial base only. If a few of you guys like it, I'll keep putting it out there. I've been using it well over a year now, because I've been making it. So it's like I say, it's working for my hair, along with a heap load of other things in my hair care regimen. So And you can look at the other videos about the Chebe, about the shampoo bars, how I use those. You know, I have a few other videos. So if you are interested, like I said, go to GimmeVitalityProducts.com. And if you are new and you are interested in following me on my natural hair care journey, you can subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. So until next time, guys, I'll see you guys soon and talk to you guys. And as I always say, be natural, stay natural. Take care and God bless y'all.